All right, folks, we got a town and country van here with a very large dent in the rear. We're going to do a repair on. What I do is called Paintless Dent Repair. Located here in Benton, Kentucky. I service all of Western Kentucky. We got a large dent, bigger than my hand, in the rear hatch. We got the license plate covered up there, but as you can see, pretty good dent. All right, guys, stay tuned. We'll have an after. We'll have an after on this here in about an hour. All right, thanks, guys, for watching. Okay, town and country rear hatch all done. All right, there you go, guys. Thanks for watching.